Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Sophanie and welcome. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a new video, and thanks to those who DM me and asked if I'm okay. I really appreciate you guys. This made me feel like you cared and thinking about me. I always have extra videos to post for y'all, but I've been stressed and worried a lot for the past few weeks. I didn't have the courage or feel motivated to film and edit videos. If you see me laughing in this video, I am watching my new favorite show since I've been down all week and makeup makes me happy. The show comes on today, so why not filming and put myself in a good mood, trying to distract myself. I know it's not the time to get distracted. You can go too hard on yourself. I've tried meditation and listening to relaxing music, trying to escape from taking too much, and it works. This is why I was able to get some stuff done while listening to the music. I know most of you guys saw everything on TV and the internet. So much going on right now. Seeing innocent black people dying in this country. As a black person, it scared me because you never know who next, you know? All your black families and friends walking around minding their business, and out of nowhere you can receive that bad news at any time. I feel like this is a wake up call to see who's really down and willing to help us black people. I learned so much last week, and seeing a lot of people with true colors such as brand and celebrities. Guys, it's time to watch out who and where our black dollars are going to. Do some research or check their page to see what they did to the black communities before you support them. I am so sick and tired of seeing black people die. I have PTSD watching these two men took their last breath in this video. Seeing this man begging for his life, calling for his mama, my heart dropped. I couldn't stop crying. I log out my Facebook account because people kept sharing these videos. I have a sensitive eyes and heart. I refuse to rewatch this video. And today I saw a video on Instagram where I see a cop with a black man. I click on the comments so fast because I already know what's going to happen and I don't want to see it. Thanks God, people said he was okay at the end. Guys, be careful. Pray before you step out of your house. It's crazy and evil out there. We all humans, God's creation. What made you think it's okay to kill an innocent person just for their skin color? We all feel pain. We have blood running in our veins. So, we didn't choose to be black. Our lives matter. It's just a skin. I've seen someone on Instagram said black people choose to be black skin. I don't know how you born a baby and had the chance to pick a skin color. Some people checked her. She sounded ignorant. I love you all my black kings and queens. Be safe, you guys. Oh, before I forget, today is my birthday, guys. Like right now, the 15th. Y'all girl is getting old. I'm kidding. Now, for real. If you wanted to give me a gift, just share this video on your social media, and that's it. You can tag me if you want. This is almost the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and happy to see me back here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I might do a makeup therapy part 2. What do you guys think? I don't know. Well, it depends on how things go. If you want any products I'm using in this video, everything will be in my description box. So, thanks for watching, y'all. I love y'all. Bye.